All right, today we're gonna do this section that is called recursive equations. Recursive equation explains the term in the sequence and how it changes from one term to another. So things that we should know are that the T of 1 means the first term, T of n means the previous term, and T of n plus 1 means the next term. So these are stuff that you should know because you're going to see it in the recursive equation. And the recursive equation is tied to the sentence frames that we used the first day that we started this packet. So, for example, if we look at the first one, we're going to say the first term is -4. And to find the next term, we add 3 to the previous term. And if I change it into a recursive equation, right here we're saying the first term is -4. Which is this section right here. Then in the second part, we're saying, and to find the next term, this is the next term, and we have it up here. What do we do to the next term? We add 3 to the previous term. That's the previous term. And that's how the sentence frame is tied to the recursive equation. So let's go ahead and do the next one. We're going to say the first term is 1.5, and to find the next term, we multiply the previous term by 2. That was a pattern here in this sequence. So the first term is 1.5. That's this part right here. So the first term is 1.5. And to find the next term, we multiply. So we are going to multiply the previous term. This is the previous term by 2. So the numbers that were there before I started writing, those are always going to be a part of your recursive equation. And you have to make sure that you have both. If you don't have both, then it's not a recursive equation. Go ahead and try out the rest of them.